So here we have the UED35A and the UED35 water-based spray gun cleaner and solvent-based spray gun cleaner. I'm going to talk to you today about how to set these machines up and how to use the machines. Let's look at the setup. On the water-based machine, we wouldn't have any fume extraction because there's no need for that to be vented to atmosphere. On the solvent-based machine, the machine must be vented straight up to atmosphere so the vapor can be taken away from the operator. Air connection on the side of the machine, we always recommend that a dirt and water trap is fitted. This protects the inside of the machine from moisture, dirt, and anything that might damage the air valves inside the machine or the pump. It also comes with a recommendation that you have that as a filter regulator so that you can set the air pressure to the machine at 90 psi or maximum 100 psi. This is the optimum running pressure. That is 6 or 7 bar. Underneath the machine is where we position the two drums. You would have 3 pipes under the machine, one being the drain, the largest of all the hoses. The next size down has a suction filter on which protects the pump. This goes in your main wash drum along with the drain hose so that the wash can be recirculated round and round and efficient use is made of your cleaning fluids. The third and final hose doesn't have a filter on. This is your suction hose for your clean rinse facility. Always place this hose in a clean drum and clean fluid only. If you're using metal drums or if you're using the solvent-based machine, we have crocodile clips to clip to both metal drums to earth the flammable liquid to reduce any risk from static. Once you have the fluid containers set up, the air connected, fume extraction connected if required, you're ready to use the machine. Let's look at how to use the Edition35 and the Edition35A spray gun cleaner. The machines have the control panels down here. They operate exactly the same as the UED35T, the twin Edition35 spray gun cleaner. The machine will clean both gravity fed and suction fed spray guns automatically, manually, and also with a clean rinse facility. Take your spray gun. You can either loosen the air cap or remove this completely. Position this over a jet here. Position your spray gun under the wash nozzle. The easy locate cradle will lock it in position. Attach the air whip line to protect the air side of the spray gun. Attach your trigger clip to hold the fluid path open. If you're using PPS disposable cups, for example, you don't need to put any cups inside here, or if you're using traditional cups, you can position these over these jets here. Once it's all set up, close the lid, turn your mode control valve to automatic, turn the timer on, and this will wash the spray gun through the inside and all over the outside of the spray gun. The timer will run for approximately 6 minutes. If you want to interrupt the cycle, you can just turn the timer by stopping it manually. If you open the lid once it's finished, if you need to use the manual brush to scrub and clean dried paint on the outside of the gun, you can do this by removing the gun from the cradle, turn this back to manual, turn the manual brush on, and then wash the outside of the gun. Once you're finished, you can then use the clean rinse to rinse off any dirty fluid that's been recirculated through the spray gun. Once you've finished rinsing, you can use the air blow gun on the side to help dry the spray gun. And this is how to use the Edition35 spray gun cleaners. If you'd like any more information, you can visit www.unic.co.uk, or you can email us at info@unic.co.uk or sales@unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.